Hi, my name is Pastor Ricky, and I'm one of the pastors at Mien Covenant Church. And we share this beautiful campus with Common Ground, a multi-ethnic church. And this is a mural that tells our story. We're called the Common Ground because once the Mien people, a Mien family, wanted to plant a garden in this space. As you can tell, this shares a little bit of the story here of who we are as Mien people, who are great at farming. And if you look in the details, you'll also see some of our Mien artistry and embroidery alongside. But that family wanted to plant a garden. And so we had a family here at Common Ground that welcomed and shared this beautiful space with them. And in this mural, you see the story of who we are, right? We are people who are agrarian. And then we had to cross over a river that tells our story, of many immigrant stories, to a newfound soil, to a land where we have to learn to appreciate and accept the hospitality of others. And as the years go by, as many of us experience as immigrants, we start to get blended families, and this is what we kind of get, this picture of a common table where all people are welcome. All people are welcome at God's table. And as the Mien people, we have been here for about over 20 years, and we just have the honor to be able to grow with this beautiful church and campus. And this mural tells a little bit about our story. This mural here was inspired by my Mien identity and who we are, and also being able to understand the immigrant story. But each immigrant or refugee story had to cross from one place to another. And this mural helps us understand that we're a place of people who always worked from the land, need food. We crossed over an ocean for a new life and refuge. And I get to be part of this community and get to integrate my own personal story and identity as the Iu-Mienh people.